we're working with Barton watch bands, and if you follow me, you know I'm not like a huge watch guy, but I do have a very big interest in watches. And so we're working with them for watch bands. So if you don't know, Barton watch bands has a lot of watch bands, not only for just traditional watches like mine, but also smartwatches like an Apple Watch and more. And the main 3 pillars they focus on when it comes to their watch bands is fashion, fit, and function. So one of my favorite watches is my Tag Aqua Racer, and Barton was awesome enough to send us 2 straps. So we're gonna get this replaced, see how it looks. Oops. So this is the retro 2-piece NATO style. And the second one is the army green and crimson 2-piece NATO style. I've been looking at NATO straps for a while, so it's really good that we got these in, and I'm super stoked to see what it looks like on the tag. So let's get to it. I picked up the retro because the look is very different, far different from what I've ever had. I like the design of it, and I don't know, I think it would look good with the tag. But at the same time, I picked up the army green and crimson because it's like a classic, a dark green NATO strap on your watch. So dang, I want to put both of them on. Okay, so for the sake of this video, let's put on the green one. Woo! It is hard. So one of the really cool features about the Barton watch bands is that they have a quick release. So right here, just pull it down. To put on and off. Just like this side. Right there. You don't have to fidget with it. So let's see how easy it actually is. Okay, so there's one side. There we go. So watch is out. So like I said again, no tool required. In. Other side. Done. It's the fastest I've ever changed a watch band. Oh, I see. Say the only downside is... Wait, did I drop one? Oh! Duh! I was like, what? There we go. Alright, so there's the finished. Get it on the wrist. There we go. There it is. Not bad. Not bad. Cool. All right, so that's what the green NATO strap looks like. As you could tell, it's really easy to open and close. You know what? Let's just open up the other one too. That strap. So here's the retro strap so you guys could see. If you guys are looking for new watch bands that are not only fashionable but also well fitted and functional, Barton watch bands, you saw how it works here. You could see how it looks on my wrist with a traditional watch, but they also have watch bands for smartwatches like Apple Watches or other smartwatches if you guys have smartwatches. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking for an outfit to go with your new watch band and watch, I did a video on civil regime. Check that out. The link's going to be in the description, as well as business attire, like performance business attire, where you could basically run a 5K in it. Go check out my and collar unboxing video. Link is also going to be in the description down below, as well as the corner of this video. Thanks again, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.